Dear students, today I would like to share the concept of electric field lines. Okay, in Assamese it is known as Bodudik Khetra Rekha. Before going to define what is electric field line, I would like to show you a diagram. Thereafter, I will discuss the concept. Okay, see here. Let us build a concept here. Suppose there is a source charge plus Q. Okay, and in Assamese it is called Utkhwadhan. Okay, suppose it is a point charge and definitely it will create a electric field around it. Okay, now suppose there is a point charge that is also vanishingly small. Suppose it is a test charge, test charge all about it. Then what will happen? This source charge will repel plus q not test charge along this path. Okay, this path is known as what? Electric field line, or in Assamese Boidudik Khetra. Similarly, if you would have placed the test charge here at this point, it will follow definitely along this path. That means line joining the two charges. Line joining the two charges means plus q naught and this one. Okay. Similarly, if you would have placed the charge here, then it will be repel along this path. That means electric field lines means the path along which the test charge will follow inside a electric field. Okay, that means this is the in case of positive charge. That means in case of positive charge, electric field line starts from the positively charged body, and it will come radially outward. Okay, but what will happen in case of negative charge? Suppose this is a negative charge and this is an electric field, and what will happen if you place a vanishingly small test charge? Then what will happen? It will be attracted. Okay, suppose if you place the test charge here, then since this is negative charge and this is positive charge, then it will be attracted along the line joining the two charges. Okay, if you place the charge here plus q naught, it will follow this path. If you place here, it will follow this path. All these paths are known as what? Electric field lines. Now in case of negative charge, means Bodydic Khetra or electric field lines will go inward direction. Okay, now that's why you can see this definition of electric field line: the path along which a small positive test charge moves inside an electric field. Okay, inside an electric field it will happen, is called electric field line. Okay, but one thing is that electric field lines are some straight or curved lines. Okay, here I have shown this one for positive charge. Already I have drawn here. For positive charge, what happened? The electric field lines will be, that means the track will be straight line. It will follow towards the infinity. That means if you place a test charge, it will go to infinity. Okay, in case of negative source charge, what will happen? The test charge will follow certain straight line. That means in case of both positive test, single positive charge and single negative charge, what will happen? The electric field lines are what? Straight lines, both cases. Okay, now now they may be curved also. See here how. See here, this one. This is a positive charge plus q and this is a minus q. They will form a what? They will form a dipole. In case of dipole, what will follow? What will happen if you place a positively test charge? Okay, then what will happen? Suppose here it will be repelled. Why? Positive charge will repel. Suppose here you have placed a test charge here plus q naught, it will be repel and negative charge will attract the test charge. Then what will happen? A resultant force will act and it will follow this track straight line. But other in case of other points, they will follow some curved paths like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, that means electric field lines may be either straight or curved. Both cases may be possible. Okay, uh, in details I will discuss in separate video how they become this type of path. Okay, here I am not going to discuss now. One more thing I am to discuss here. If we draw a tangent at a point on the electric field line, then it shows the direction of electric field intensity at that point. Suppose this point, see here, this point, okay? If you draw a tangent like this, then this tangent will show you the electric field intensity. Suppose E1 bar. Suppose if you place, if you draw a tangent here, suppose electric field intensity will be along this direction. See here, magnitude, direction, everything will change. That means tangent drawn, if you draw any tangent at any point on the electric field line, they will show you the direction and magnitude. Magnitude, not direction of electric field lines. Magnitude, it is different thing. Okay. Now, if you take two positively charges, okay, positively charged charges, suppose plus q and plus q, then what will happen? The shape of electric field lines will be like this. Okay, in exam, questions may come, one more questions may come that draw the electric field lines in case of two positive charges, plus q and plus q. In case of two negative charges, suppose minus q and minus q, what will be the shape of the electric field lines? Minus q, suppose. Now, the shape will be exactly like this. That means if you place a negative, vanishingly small positively charge here, it will be attracted this direction. If you place here along this direction, if you place positive charge here along this direction. Okay, this is the shape. But in case of uniform electric field, what will happen? The in uniform electric field, I gave the concept earlier that if you place two parallel plates like this, suppose one is positive plate here, though it is looking like line, these are plates, then what will happen? Suppose if you place a vanishingly small positive charge, test charge, it will be repelled by positively charged plate and negatively charged will attract. That means they will follow a certain straight line, and their distance between these lines are exactly equal. That means they are parallel lines. Okay, if you have to draw electric field lines for uniform electric field, then just you draw this 3-4 parallel lines. Okay, in next video I would like to discuss how this type of shape actually has formed. It is not given in book, but to clarify the concept, I will discuss in next video, and I also discuss the properties of the electric field lines in the next video. Still, I would like to tell you few properties in short. Always remember, electric field lines always starts from positive charge and ends at negative charge. Okay, and also you remember, electric field lines always contract longitudinally. Longitudinally means in Assamese, দৈৰ্ঘ্যৰ দিশত সংকুচিত হয়, contract. Electric field lines always contract longitudinally. Why? See, it is due to the attractive nature of charges. See, if you place two point charges plus q and minus q, what will happen? If you place here, okay, this is the earlier position, then what will happen if you remove? Then what will happen? They will come closer, plus q and suppose here plus q and minus q, the charges will come closer, plus q and minus q. Then what will happen? The length, see here, the length, this length, all the lengths contracted. Okay, this is the thing. And electric field lines always exert lateral pressure. That's why they never intersect each other. All these things I will discuss in the next video. Just you remember, electric field lines means that it is the path along which a test charge follow along inside a electric field. That means at a positive, or in Assamese, at a ধনাত্মক টেষ্ট চাৰ্জে, অ'কে, এখন ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফিল্ডৰ যিটো দিশত গতি কৰে, যিটো পথেৰে গতি কৰে, তাকে কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? বৈদ্যুতিক ক্ষেত্ৰ ৰেখা. অ'কে, বাই, গুড বাই.